Do you have any turmeric stains that you've got on your kitchen counter and you don't know how to remove?
Neither do I. I saw this hack online and I'm going to try it out to see if it's actually going to remove the turmeric stains. So we'll both be finding out together.
Bowl.
You're going to need a little bowl, however big or small you've got. But what we're going to do is we're going to add some soap into there. And then I've added some soap, and then you're going to grab some bicarbonate soda. You're going to pour a little bit into there.
Onto the little mix, just to make a little paste. Mix it together and it's become like a little paste. And then I'm going to get some white vinegar, spray it directly onto the stain, and then leave it to soak for like maybe 5 minutes, just to ensure that everything's soaked up. Okay, so now that we're back, it's been about 3 minutes, and I'm just going to grab my cloth and my little paste, dab it in there, and I just like to make them work together.
See, the stain is starting to lift, all the grease and all the turmeric is starting to come off.
You can see, wipe, and you can see it's still a little bit stained, so I grab more of the paste. That.
I think that this method works best for immediate stains. It's not perfect, but it has removed majority of the stains, as you can see. It's better than what it looked like when we first started, but it's not perfect. What do you guys think? If you guys have got a better method, let me know in the comment section below and how to remove turmeric stains. That's it for me today. I will see you guys on the next one. If you can't wait till then, you can check out the videos on the right hand side over here, and you guys have a lovely day. I'll see you real soon. Bye.